Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet belt here or headband. You can use this pattern in any of your project. I am making a headband with this pattern. As you can see, I'm making chain 7 here. Then pass over the yarn from all the chains. I'm just passing the yarn from all the chains. Then pass the hook from the first loop. Then after that we will pass the hook from 2 loops. Then again from 2 loops. Then we have to pass the hook from 2 loops again. We have to repeat the same procedure till the end, as you can see. Now chain 1 and we'll turn the side. Now after turning the side, we will again pass the yarn from the chains. Now pass the yarn from first loop on the hook. Then pass over the yarn from 2 loops on the hook. We have to pass the yarn from 2 loops respectively till the end to create a leaf here. As you can see, this is so beautiful leaf is here. Now single crochet in chain 1. As you can see, single crochet in this chain space. Now after that, I'm going to make more 7 chains here. After making this chain 7, we have to repeat the same previous procedure here. That is to pass over the yarn from all the chains, and then we have to take off the yarn from these loops one by one respectively. To create a leaf here. This is very simple and easy procedure. You can use this in any of your project, that is your bag strip or belt or headband, anything you want to make with it. And look at this, how beautiful is this looking. I'm making headband with this. So here is the final look after making 4 to 5 leaves here. Then I changed the pattern into a simple line of chains to create the back side of this headband, as you can see. Then time to join the two sides to make a headband or to complete the headband here. As you can see, this is so beautiful and so pretty and cute as well. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share it with your friends and family who want to learn the basic crochet stitches and want to make these prettiest things. And for more videos, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you so much.